Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mems and I'm just giving you a quick lock hair update. I locked my hair on the 5th of May 2023. It is currently January. Happy New Year. So the biggest advantage of wearing my hair in locks has been how easy wash day is. Very easy, and I don't use as many products. I used to be a product junkie. To be fair, I still am, because I still see, I'm like, oh, I want to try that on my hair, you know, but I don't buy as much, because then when you buy deep conditioner and different conditioners and different types of shampoos. But since locking my hair, I've kept it really simple and used fewer products. I haven't used deep conditioners since I locked my hair. Haven't even used conditioners since I've locked my hair. So it's been very simple, less products, which I've actually quite appreciated. And in this video I'm going to be showing you some of the products that I have been using to wash my hair. So far, this bangs fringe situation is what has been working for me in the new year. I just tie my hair back or have it up in an updo and then have the hair in front. Mainly because I'm growing out my edges. Mainly because I'm growing out my edges. That's why I'm wearing my hair like this. But I've enjoyed it. I've liked it so far. I've used Dee Rose black soap to wash my hair. I've used Plantmade shea butter as my cream, and I've used this oil that I got to oil my hair. So those are the three products I've used for the last 3 washes. It's been super easy. It's taken literally, I don't even know, and then I air dry my hair and it dries a lot quicker than it used to. I haven't had any build up so far. There's not been any build up on my hair. I haven't had dull looking hair. So I don't know if it's the products, but so far so good. Now let me show you my products that I use on wash day. This is the soap I use, Dee Rose. So I use this to wash my hair. I use Plantmade soil as my cream. And I use this hair booster serum as my oil. Actually, I have a lot of different oils, so I do use this sometimes, but I have other oils that I don't know, I just be getting these oils. Let me show you some other ones. This one is my most recent purchase, and it's a lock oil. So it's supposed to be a lock oil for locked hair. It says Nurtured Locked Hair Oil Serum. It's by Nomara Organics. So this is my most recent purchase. Now this one I have almost finished, but I've been mising it because this was really costly. So I've been mising it. To be honest, I don't know why it's so expensive, because it's not like it has performed any magic on my hair. But yeah, this is what I use as my oil. It will probably go one more wash before it runs out. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Spread love, spread positivity, and live together.